Today, we are shedding light on a job that plays a crucial role in global trade, loading containers for international sea shipping. And believe me, this isn't your typical 9 to 5. Picture working inside a metal container under the blazing sun, where temperatures can hit an unbearable 50 degrees Celsius. That's the daily reality for these workers. And if you think it's just about stacking boxes, you'd be mistaken. Loading containers requires not only strength, but also serious skill. These workers, often operating in small teams of 2 or 3, are like masters of real-life Tetris. Their task? To fit as much cargo as possible into a confined space, sometimes taking the contents of 2 containers and somehow squeezing them into one. How do they do it? Through a combination of brute strength, creative problem solving, and a few well-honed tricks of the trade. Here's where it gets fascinating. These workers use their bodies in ways you wouldn't expect. They push, shove, and maneuver boxes into place using their knees, weight, and even tools like jacks to extract every last inch of space. And when they are dealing with soft items like clothes or blankets, they compress them so tightly that not a single gap remains. But it's not just about packing more in, it's about saving businesses thousands in shipping costs. However, don't be misled into thinking this is easy. Imagine working under the scorching sun inside a metal box, where the heat and physical demands quickly drain your energy. Every box they lift takes a toll, yet these teams are so efficient that they can load up to 4 full containers a day. That level of endurance and accuracy is hard to fathom. What's even more remarkable? These workers earn daily wages that can exceed $200, and because their skills are so valuable, they are constantly in demand. With work always flowing, there's rarely a chance for a break, but the steady income keeps many coming back for more. But it's not just about the paycheck. There's a deep sense of pride in being this skilled at something that most people find impossible. These workers aren't just filling containers, they are mastering them. They've turned what seems like chaos into an art form, leveraging their skills to save companies money and optimize logistics. It's this unique blend of strength and technique that keeps clients coming back time and again. So, next time you see a massive container ship, or think about how goods travel across the globe, remember the dedicated skilled workers toiling away in those scorching metal boxes. They are the unsung heroes keeping the global economy moving, one container at a time. Their teamwork and camaraderie in such demanding conditions deserve recognition. If you enjoyed this story, kindly like this video and follow us for more exciting content.